Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my friends. How are you? Let's delve into our next topic in the journey of learning modern Python for AI agentic development. And this topic is closely related to the last topic we covered, and that was type hinting. We have covered type hinting for variables. Also, how to type hint the arguments in functions. Now we will dive how we can type hint the variables that they are list or either they are dictionaries. The process is a bit more advanced than the previous ones, but it's fun and exciting to learn how we can import libraries, third-party resources to make our life easier. Let's examine. So, first, for example, you have a variable called groceries. Now, if your mother says to you that bring me eggs, milk, flour, mango, papaya, that is not a single thing. It's a set of multiple things, and you need to save it likewise. So, what will you do? You will make a list for it. You will save milk, flour, eggs, and so. But uh, fortunately for Python, it will automatically recognize that this is a list. It has multiple items in it. But if you explicitly tell it that this is a list of strings, this will make for your friends and for your future scrutiny a lot easier to recognize which type of variable you are typecasting. But the problem is, if I do so, this will hopefully not work. Why? It says that we are using a list that is not defined. Why? Why are we getting this error? Because list is something which is not native to Python. It is a library, it is a function that we should import from the library called typing. This is the correct syntax to import something in Python. From typing, the module import this function of it, the list. So if we enter this, hopefully it will work. Hooray! Because we have imported the list, now we can use it to typecast the things we will save in groceries. The typing library has much more than just lists. It also has dictionaries. So if, for example, you are saving contact numbers of your friends, you will likely use this format. San and then Tahir and Mustafa that is, for example, any number. This is the syntax we use to save dictionaries. the key and the value, the key and the value, the key and the value. The Python will understand by this syntax that this is a dictionary. Yes, obviously it is. But for you and your friends to make the life easier, you will explicitly define that this is a dictionary and it contains strings and strings. Now, I think that the numbers should not be text. They should be saved as numbers. So I will remove these quotations and type it as numbers. Let's see that will Python accept that or not. Hopefully it is accepting, but practically we should explicitly state that the numbers, the value I will submit will be in the form of integers. And that in that way the program will work much efficiently and will be error prone. So to conclude, today we learned how we can typecast lists and dictionaries in Python using the library typing. Thank you very much.